All right, guys, a huge shout out to Skater Trainers for sponsoring this video right here. When I first saw the Skater Trainers, I was like, I don't know, is this really what we should do? And then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try them myself. And I got a brand new skater, somebody who's never done any tricks ever. And within the first hour, that uncoordinated individual learned how to ollie and do a shove it on the Skater Trainers, then took the Skater Trainers off and did an ollie and a shove it without them. And I've never seen anybody progress that fast. The Skater Trainers build your confidence because you actually land the trick. You learn the muscle memory in your legs by doing the trick and landing it, and then you just take them off and then do it rolling. They fit exactly in line with the purpose of Braille skateboarding, to push skateboarding all over the world and start as many people skateboarding as possible. If you guys are struggling with a trick, check them out and give them a shot. You won't be disappointed. Well, hello, and welcome to another episode of We Will Now Open a Box.
Wow.
What do you think could be inside of that box?
Well, one of these, it says board.
Actually, it says broadboard.
No, that's board.
B-R-O-A-D, board.
See,
They kept saying
B-O-A-R-D.
Boardboard. And I was like, no, broadboard. What is a broadboard skateboard?
It's a board.
What's really important here is that you use a dog to open a box for the first time.
Okay, here we go.
That was ultimate cuteness.
Did you open that box all on your own? You're such a good boy. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Oh, that was so cute.
I'm a dog. You can follow me at Bear Cairo on Instagram.
Oh, look at this little bloke.
Or maybe his voice would be a little bit more like, my name is Bear, and I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the I'm a sponsored dog from the San Francisco Bay Area.
All right, hey, Fetty, you're finally done.
It's a board. Boardy boards.
I'm glad that I'm the only Braille member that can read. Hi guys, I came across your channel a while ago and couldn't stop watching your videos, despite not having stood on a board for about 15 years. That's 15 years longer than you've been alive. It urged me to combine my love for wood carving with an old love for skateboarding, and have since made a few of these custom boards now. But I can barely do much more than a static ollie, so I'm not good enough to properly put them to test. I'd love to see it kick flipped in slow-mo to see the design spin into view, then skated to destruction. We've got such a reputation for ourselves now that just basically just say, go ahead and destroy it because
I put all this hard work into it.
Right. I kind of prefer when they say, I don't think you can break it.
And then it's a challenge.
Then it's a challenge. It's made from oak and, oh no.
Mahogany?
Where's Mario? Oak and mahogany. And is completely handmade and hand carved by myself. On a scale of 1 to 10, how impressed are you? 10. Agreed. It's only intended to be a cruiser, but I'd love to see its limitations, what I can improve, and actually see one being rode properly. If anyone watching this is interested in a custom board or hand carving sign for their house or local skate park, please get a hold of me through Instagram or Facebook at Brody Boards.
Boardy boards.
Boardy boards.
Keep up the great work, Dean. Thank you, Dean. You are absolutely incredible. Let's see the graphic on the other side. Oh, wow.
Wow.
There's you.
Braille.
Look it.
Wow, that is me.
They even captured Lance's fisties.
What do you think about that?
Oh.
The board.
Let's get a first try for boardy board, Aaron.
First try! Are you ready to skate?
Oh, you are a slobbery man.
I think they put it for longboard trucks.
Oh no. It's over for us. I guess we cut a new hole. Fetty's never drilled anything before. Do you think he'll make this? Are you a good boy? Do you have the best life in the entire world? Do you just have all the treats and all the toys that you ever wanted? Is that how you live? I know. It's not easy. Does he look exactly like me? People say that dog owners and dogs start to look exactly alike. You look exactly like me.
Your eyes look the same.
And our noses.
Oh.
No, it's not got a big
I wasn't
nose.
gonna go there. I wasn't gonna go there. Wow, Fetty, good job.
Hey, thanks. Try saying back bling without saying black bling.
Back bling. Wow. Wow. That was fully the hardest thing I've ever done in my life.
Back bling, back bling, back bling. Nailed it.
Man, I really miss this. What?
I took the other drill home and now it won't release the drill bit, and I broke the drill bit in half.
How do you break a drill bit in half?
I was flexing my muscles and it was too close and it just snapped.
I see.
Board.
Wow.
Oh,
It is the lightest mahogany I have ever seen.
Ah!
We got work to do. You think you're on the clock? You will learn to skateboard. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one of these days. What a good boy! Look at his little prance, though. All right, for Bear, first try. Let's go. For my son. Oh! That was more than full commitment. That was full send times 12. Oh!
It can land primo.
That was the perfect slow-mo shot. Now you know the commitment I put forward for my son. Isn't that right? Wow!
Well done.
Thanks, board.
It's so crazy how you're better at tray flips on weird things than kick flips.
Tray flip off? Or do we play a game of skate?
Well,
I'm out. Oh! For my son.
can I make a filmer request? Heel flip.
No!
Yes.
Oh my blood! I didn't sign up for a heel flip.
Oh!
Did you do it?
Yeah, you did.
It flipped?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Good thing we didn't play a game of skate.
All right. You get it right here. I will buy Bear the best toy ever.
Define best boy ever.
No, the best toy.
Well,
the
we
doggy
already know
toy.
he's the best boy ever.
Oh yeah.
So close to just going straight through that hole.
It would go straight through.
That would be so funny.
Varial flip. That is why I chose a varial flip.
Burial flip.
Mahogany flip. You can't get stage fright like this in front of your son.
I know, it's just so much more pressure. It's like the pressure of 3.5 million subscribers or embarrassing my dog. I can just hear him now, like, and you think you're pro, Dad? You think you're pro and you can't even heel flip a mahogany board. Yes!
Count it!
Whoa! Just stop. Just stop right there. Gosh.
Wow! Fetty, I want you to take it to the mini ramp. First try?
That was sickening. That actually hurt my eyes. That's all I got. Wow.
All right, that was enough mini ramp, huh?
Now for the wall ride.
Oh no. Aaron, no.
Oh! Finally, somebody got the ceiling.
You know that made a dent in the ceiling, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Fetty!
How did he do that?
I don't know.
It's a slow-mo that.
I would give that attempt a solid 3 out of 5.
He's such a good boy, he hasn't even barked. Give it the full send.
You know what? You know what? You know what? I just got your bark joke right now. Literally like 2 minutes later, I finally understood the bark joke. This is a real load of sap.
Charles Barkley.
He's got his roots in deep with that one. Fetty, no slide it up.
No.
That's gonna be hard.
No, don't.
Come on, you know Fetty can no slide anything.
No. We need a little bit more wax for the mahogany.
Oh! What is wrong with this thing?
I think that wax made it worse.
Did you wax it?
He put a ton of wax on it.
No.
And fully stuck, yeah.
Trust the mahogany.
You gotta get a little in there. Mahogany. Oh!
I said it before and I'll say it again. Isn't that a tail slide?
I know exactly what this video is missing.
What?
Are you ready? Yeah. ask Siri to call Mario, and we need to get him saying Mahogany on speakerphone.
Oh! Ow! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Hey Siri?
Hello, Gab.
It's not my name. FaceTime Mario Santa Maria.
What's up?
Hey, we got this board over here and it's made out of a certain kind of wood.
Is it mahogany?
Is it what?
Mahogany?
You keep
Is it really mahogany?
you keep cutting out. I'm not hearing what you're saying.
What do you mean? I'm saying mahogany.
What? It's like pure static. Is your connection okay?
Mahogany. Is it mahogany?
Yes. Well done. Dang. Where did this guy learn to skate? The Braille house?
Skateboarding made simple, baby! It brings me utter joy hearing Mario's voice in the morning.
Daniel made a friend.
Rowan, zoom in on this.
Give me this.
You having fun with the boardy board?
The board? Yes, it's very fun.
We should have gone to skate this in Oakland.
Why? It's mahogany.
Oh! Oh! Legit, the first ever backside flip up a Euro gap off.
On mahogany.
On Mahogany.
On the board.
All right, son. Look alive.
Oh, he's coming to watch! Oh! Come on, Bear! Oh, no.
Oh no. It's so hard to flick it.
Okay.
I need a replacement hip.
Rowan, hook him up.
No, I don't get paid enough to.
I love you genuinely thought about it. You're like, no! Toss an arm and a leg to work at Braille.
And a hip.
There we go.
Hey,
Hi.
Stupid board is lucky I had no grip and I couldn't pick it up or would have smashed it.
Oh! Rebate! It counts for all intents and purposes, you know.
I don't know how I stayed on.
I mean, neither. Oh! Back to back, two to make it true.
I just needed a little love from my dog.
I have one more idea for this video, Aaron. We'll see after Fetty does this. What? I feel like it's easier to double flip probably then.
Count it.
That counts. Last thing for this video. I'm gonna hand it to you. Me? Wall ride it up, baby. Do you think he's gonna be okay?
No.
Me neither.
How many tries did that backside flip take? Leave it in the comments below.
That was the most flat landing ever. Did you see that?
Didn't
It was
bounce
like
or anything.
magnetic. Ah! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Luke, I'm sorry.
That's what you wanted, right?
I'm sorry.
That's what you wanted?
You gotta land it though. Now you gotta land it. Hey Luke, one more. Oh! No, that was fine. Okay. Good job, man. I'm sorry you got hit in the ankle.
It's okay.
Well, what'd you guys think?
It was really good, actually, and actually skated really well. And we did not destroy it.
Yeah, we didn't. I liked it a lot.
I mean, if you can do a backside double flip up a gap on this, I think that it's very well made. What did you think, Bear?
Board.
I completely agree, Bear.
So you guys know what to do. Notification squad, leave it in the comments below. Let's go.
And thank you, Dean.
Dean.
All
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bear would like to thank you for your participation, for all your comments, your likes, your subscribes. If you have something that you would like to send us, it's skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. And you can send us a picture of whatever you got. Be creative. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the daily video tomorrow. And don't forget to learn to skateboard.